Hi everyone, it's Jeremy. Today Xiaomi announced the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, a new version in the Redmi Note 11 series, and being a member of the Mi influencers on the global Xiaomi community, I had the chance to receive it before its launch. Today we are going to do an unboxing and see what it looks like. I will also give you what it brings in addition to the standard Pro and Pro 5G version, and I will give you a more detailed test very soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss this video, and also have a special version of a Xiaomi smartphone coming this weekend. For the box, it's classic Redmi Note series with the name Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. Inside we have some documentation, a soft plastic shell, a USB-C to USB cable, and a 120-watt charger. This is the first difference with this Plus version. The charging will be much faster than the other version, which were limited to 67 watts. If we look at the main characteristic displayed on the smartphone, you'll get the 120-watt charge and a 4500 mAh battery. The 108 megapixel sensor already present on the Pro version, as well as the 120Hz AMOLED screen, but now we get stereo signed by JBL, which is not available on other versions. The other difference is that the processor level, the Pro model has a Helio J96, the Pro 5G model has a Snapdragon 695, and here we have a Dimensity 920, a more powerful 5G processor. On the top of the device there is a jack port, an infrared transmitter, a microphone, and a speaker with the mentioned sound by JBL. On the right side the volume button as well as the power button, which incorporates a fingerprint sensor. On the bottom the dual SIM drawer, a USB-C port, a microphone, and a second speaker. Nothing on the right side, and the SIM drawer can accommodate 2 SIM cards or a SIM card plus a microSD. We therefore keep the same design as the previous version, and this one comes in 3 colors: forest green, graphite grey, and a starry blue version. For the screen we have a 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz, a touch response rate of 360Hz. The characteristics are mostly the same as the other models. As said before, this phone gets a Mediatek Dimensity 920, a processor engraved in 6nm, as well as 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, all in LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. The phone comes with MIUI 12.5 and not the 13th version, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2. Regarding the benchmark, I'll show you the score that I received on Antutu, Geekbench, PCMark and 3DMark, and overall the scores are better than previous version, which should help in game and heavy task. For the autonomy, as said before, it supports 120-watt charging, which should allow it to be recharged in just 15 minutes according to the brand, which is really fast, and it has a 4500 mAh battery. This supports 800 recharge cycles, which correspond to approximately 2 years of use, so no risk with fast charging, and a better cooling system are also been implemented. The other models had a 5000 mAh battery and a 67-watt recharge. I will give you more information on the autonomy when I have the opportunity to test it by myself. Regarding the audio, as said before, we have stereo sound by JBL as well as the presence of a jack port. I don't have the other model to really do a full comparison, but the sound is good quality and really loud, as you can hear now. For photo and video, we have the 108 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, a 2 megapixel macro sensor. No big change here at the hardware level. I will take some photos and video sample for you in the next video, but what is interesting to see is that the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G could only film in Full HD on the main sensor, but here we can clearly see on the Pro Plus that we finally have 4K available. The better processor brings the plus at this level and not only in pure power. For the price, it was announced at $369 for the base model and up to $449 for the most expensive version. We also get an early bird price of $349 in early bird. To conclude, we already had a 5G model and a 4G model of the Pro version. The Pro Plus comes to take the best of both and bring a few extra points such as a very fast charging, the sound part signed by JBL, and above all a more powerful processor, which already allows at first glance to have a better score and benchmark, in fact in more demanding tasks such as gaming, but overall to provide additional functions such as filming in 4K, which I find is a huge improvement. Let me know what you think about this phone in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.